Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add an indicator on Oanda. And if you want to add an indicator, it's quite simple because we are using right now the web platform supported by MetaTrader 5. So if you want to add an indicator, we can go right here to this icon. There it says add indicator, so we click here on add indicator and now we can search right here for the indicator that we want to use. So let's say for example we want to use the relative strength index, the RSI. Then we select it right here. We can choose right here what we want to do, a period. Now we can apply to low, that's fine. We can select right here the line style, upper line, background, whatever you want. But if we want to add this indicator, we click now on add indicator and then you will find right here the relative strength index. So this is how you can add the indicator on Oanda. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.